10 fascinating science facts you might not know. Did you know that the Earth is actually not a perfect sphere? It is slightly flattened at the poles and bulges at the equator, giving it an oblate spheroid shape. This means that if you were to measure the Earth's diameter at the equator, it would be about 43 kilometers, 27 miles, larger than if you were to measure it through the poles. The average surface temperature of the Earth might seem relatively mild, but temperatures can range from a frigid -127 degrees Fahrenheit, -88 degrees Celsius, at the highest point on Earth, Mount Everest, to a scorching 134 degrees Fahrenheit, 57 degrees Celsius, in the hottest recorded place on Earth, Death Valley, California. That's a temperature range of over 260 degrees Fahrenheit, 141 degrees Celsius. The Sunday may seem small in the sky, but it's actually about 109 times larger than the Earth and 330,000 times more massive. It's also about 93 million miles away from us, which is why it takes sunlight about 8 minutes and 20 seconds to reach the Earth. The human brain is an incredible organ. It contains about 100 billion nerve cells, neurons, and trillions of supportive cells, glial cells. These cells work together to allow us to think, feel, and experience the world around us. The speed of light in a vacuum is the fastest speed that anything can travel and is a fundamental constant of nature. It's so fast that if you were to travel at the speed of light, you could go around the Earth 7.5 times in just 1 second. You might have noticed that ice takes up more space than water, but did you know why? It's because water expands when it freezes, which is why ice is less dense than water. This is also why ice can cause pipes to burst if they are not properly insulated. The expanding ice puts too much pressure on the pipes. The Earth is not the only place in our solar system with liquid water. There is evidence to suggest that there may be liquid water on Mars and some of the moons of Jupiter and Saturn. This raises the possibility that there could be extraterrestrial life in our own solar system. The Earth's atmosphere is made up of 78% nitrogen, 21% oxygen, and trace amounts of other gases such as carbon dioxide, water vapor, and argon. These gases play important roles in supporting life on Earth and regulating the Earth's climate. The Earth's rotation causes the change in seasons and the apparent movement of the Sun across the sky. The Earth takes about 365.25 days to orbit the Sun, which is why we have leap years, to account for the extra quarter of a day that it takes the Earth to complete its orbit. Have you ever played chess? It's a complex and challenging game, but did you know that there are more possible iterations of a game of chess than there are atoms in the observable universe? This means that it would be impossible to play every single possible game of chess, even if you played one game every single second for the entire age of the universe. Thanks for watching. Quotable Facts.